Whenever any building or structure is made, foundations are constructed in the ground first. Have you ever wondered why? To answer this, we have to see how building carries the load. They are subjected to vertical load and lateral load. Vertical load is due to their own weight or self-weight, and the live load, that means the load they are going to carry. Horizontal load, it includes wind pressure and or seismic load or earthquake load. Let's construct a building. A tall building, much taller, even taller, and this exerts load and more load. It is also subjected to huge amount of lateral load or wind pressure. Let's analyze vertical load and horizontal thrust on building separately. A tall building will have huge amount of weight which will be transferred to ground at its contact point. This is the weight of the building at the contact point of the ground. Immediately, ground will offer a response by offering a resistance in vertical direction. But this resistance offered by the soil is less as compared to weight of the building, so it will settle. Now, at a certain depth, the resistance offered by the ground will increase because of higher density and better bearing capacity of the soil. Still, the resistance offered by the ground is not enough and building will continue to sink. Now, at a certain depth, again more resistance will be offered by the ground because the density of the ground is increased and its bearing capacity is improved. Still, this capacity is not enough and building will even settle further. At a certain depth, hard rock or soil with very good bearing capacity will exist, and this will be able to resist the vertical load of the building by offering the resistance. During this process, building has settled by this much amount. This settlement can be prevented by constructing a good foundation. Else, it may happen this or even this. To analyze the effect of lateral thrust, let's visit the deserts. We have constructed a tall building here. This building will be subjected to very high intensity of wind, and this wind will try to topple the buildings and it will shake the building like this. So now we understood foundations are required to prevent settlement and lateral stability to building. Let's summarize. Foundations are required to build a safe and durable structures. They carry the load of structure and distribute to over large area of soil safely. They prevent excessive and unequal settlement. They safeguard structures against lateral thrust due to wind and earthquakes. And foundations provide stability to the structures as a whole. Happy learning!